Alright guys, this is Indian Lion Boy. Welcome back to my new YouTube channel. So guys, this is a Hinman Fitness channel, and another my channel name is Alternative Boy, and you go to and search my YouTube channel. So guys, today I am showing you my hair, beard. Then I want to clear my views as I am looking so I wanna looking smart like some normal gentleman as so cut them and make a perfect to you. So finally guys, I have cleared my beard and hair. So those who are come out, that's I'm wanna looking a gentleman, and I am going to take a bath for looking a good human beings, and I show some aesthetic scene for myself. Okay, then I come out hurry up for you. So thank you guys, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and go to my first YouTube channel, that's name is Alternative Boy, and the second one is Hanuman Fitness. And I am so lucky about I can do all things. I have freedom, right of equilibrium, and all of things. So thank you guys. I'm come right now. Thanks to all of one to show my video, and I will see you again in the next very well video. Goodbye.